Welcome back to another Altitude University video. Hunter here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the editing app CapCut all on your phone and how to post that to TikTok or Reel. So basically, just by having your phone, you can create amazing videos. So what you're gonna do first, once you have CapCut downloaded, is go to New Project right here and select the videos that you wanna have in your video. So right here, I have these 6, and the order that you select them is the order that they're gonna be imported into the editing timeline. So once you have them, just press add right there, and you'll see we have our 6 videos right here. And first things first, what you wanna do is actually find the song, because we're gonna be editing to the beats of the song. So right here, go to sounds. And what's really nice is if you have TikTok downloaded, you can actually download songs, trending songs right from TikTok into CapCut. So I have a song that I wanna use here, this one, Paris. So I'm gonna press plus, and you'll see it drags the entire song into it. So all I need to do now is find the section of the song that I want. And I wanna go back to the drop here. So I'm gonna zoom in with 2 fingers and right here. Perfect, so I want this section, so I'm just gonna press it, press split right there, go to the section we don't want, press delete, and now we have this entire section right here. So we can drag it in and let's see. I want it a little bit longer, so I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna drag it a bit more and drag that to the beginning. And then I'm gonna end it right there. Right on that one beat, press split and delete that ending section, and we have 7 seconds now. And now all we have to do is line up the clips to the beat, and we'll pretty much be done. So just find the clip that you wanna have start first. So I'm gonna do this one, so I'm gonna hold it and drag it right here, right to the front, just like that. And let's wait for the beat drop. And I might wanna rearrange this order, so when the beat hits, let's see what clip we want to use. I want to use this one when the beat hits. So right here. And then when the beat hits again, same thing. Split, delete. And then we're going to find the next clip we want. And it's probably going to be this one. So this will be 3rd one right there. So let's watch through this. Great, so I want this clip to start a little later, probably right there with the waves crashing. So I'm gonna do split, take that beginning part, delete. Let's see how this is. Right there on that beat drop, same thing. So you kind of get the process here. Once you have the song laid in, you want your footage to hit on the beats of each drop. So I'm just doing that, I'm going through, pressing split and delete on the sections that I don't want. So we'll probably end on the surfer here, so. Great, I love it, I love it. So now what we wanna do is color our footage to make it pop a little more and be super attractive when people are scrolling through TikTok. We wanna make sure they stop and watch it. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna go to filter right here, and my favorite is autumn. So this one is definitely my favorite. So I'm gonna add that one over my clips, and just make sure you drag it over all of your footage. So you can see with and without it. So I've pressed delete, that's without it, that's with it. I can do that on all of my clips, just like this. And now that we have this overlaid on all of our clips, we wanna go in and individually color our clips. So press on the first one and go to adjust, just like that, and go to shadows and play with those, then go to highlights, same thing, play with those. I'm gonna go to HSL, which is hue, saturation, and luminance, and I wanna change the color of this water. It looks a little green, so I'm gonna go to the blues and change the hue to make it bluer, and I can make that more saturated as well if I want. And then what I wanna do is basically go through every clip and do that same thing. So if you want to make that faster, and you're on your first clip, all those adjustments you just made, you can do apply to all. So HSL, that just applied that to every other clip. Highlights, that applied that to every other clip. Shadows, that applied that to every other clip. So now you can see if I go here and I go to adjust, you could see those adjustments that I just applied are on every single clip here. So the nice thing is that saves a lot of time, but you still should go into your individual clips and color them just to make sure that they're perfect. Go in and make those fine-tune adjustments. So I'll just skip through as I go through these so that you don't have to watch the process of it. Awesome, so we just added that filter on top of all of our clips, and then I went into the individual clips and I adjusted the shadows, the highlights, and the hue of the clips. Basically give that water more of a blue and less of a green, and you know, any micro adjustments I felt were necessary on these other clips. So let's play this real quick. Awesome, so now all we need to do is I wanna adjust the scale and push all these clips in throughout the entirety of the clip. So what I'm gonna do, press the first one, and I'm gonna press this plus with the little diagonal there, and I'm gonna zoom in so I can see the clip a little better. And then I'm gonna drag right to the end of the clip. Make sure you're selected on the end of the clip, and I'm gonna scale it in. So watch what happens. See those blue lines? The clip is scaling in that whole time. So same thing on the second clip, press that, boom, and we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna scale it in. Third one, this will make sense when you see it in a sec visually. Right there, scale it in. Right here, scale it in. And last but not least, right here, I'm gonna scale it in. So let's go to the beginning and watch what those keyframes did. Cool, so we added keyframes on there now, and we're pretty much done. You can add text if you want. I'll show you just so you can kind of see what that does. So if we want, maybe before the drop happens, we want something like this, wait for the drop, and then we just want to line that up with the text right here. Maybe we want to make it a little bit smaller, so you drag it with 2 fingers right there, centered it, and we're just gonna drag the end of it, boom. So let's see how this plays. Amazing, so quick recap of how easy it is to edit on your phone. We added in our 6 clips. We put audio that we wanted, which is directly from TikTok. We added a color grade to make our clips pop, and we added a scale keyframe to push our clips in, and we edited to the beats of the song so that each clip changes on the beat of the song so it flows super smoothly. And then we just added text in right at the beginning of this clip just to spice it up a little bit more. So easiest step of the process now, you go right here on the top right and do export, and you'll see it does all the work right there, and our video is exported out, and you can see right there we can literally share it directly to TikTok. You can put it on Instagram, Facebook, you can send it around to your friends, whatever you want. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with on CapCut. We'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about unlocking your drone's full potential and becoming a confident drone pilot, then be sure to check out our course 14-Day Drone Pilot Pro. It's a speed learning program for beginners teaching aerial photography and video editing, and our students are absolutely loving it. I'll link it in the description below. Make sure to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.